Okay. Evening on. This is the paranoid Rebel Rhymes mental case reporting. Smoking the ganja, you know. Probably grown round the corner somewhere, you know. That's how it is these days, you know. Someone gotta do it, you know. Anyway. Me, you remember this video, yeah? This one. Yeah. With the guy, probably some Boule area business bloke, you know. And he'd be saying about him starting his own thing where people bring him knife and blades and machetes and all kind of thing, yeah. Crossbow, you name it, yeah. They bring him the things and he goes and hands them in anonymously for the people, you know. And I put the video up. You've seen it before.
I'm going to pitch up on his wall right here, Nathan. You see me? Just come straight over to me.
Fahrenheit's Paul stabbed vest under his coat. He's loitering.
Him got all the local lingo and all the street words and thing, you know.
In a dimly lit I saw.
Yeah.
While Farron gets...
Oh, the shadowy goings on in the alleyway, you know. Yeah. So, that be that video. Nah. The guy, yeah. 2 or 3 days after this video, him be going on this guy knows official with the K, whatever her name is. Yeah. Check it. Oh, where it gone, man? Video. Where is it? There he is. We turn it up for you, you know.
Court charged with the murder of Jodie Chesney in East London. One of 39 people killed following stabbings in Britain since the beginning
You blaze
of
a
the
bit
year.
of ganja while you watch this, you know.
3 17-year-olds were killed in London and in Birmingham. 3 teenagers died in the space of...
Then be 3, get it, 3, 17 with the Eve and the double E and the teen, you know. With the double, the Eve and the double E and the 33, you know.
12 days in February. Well, as politicians and police grapple with how to deal with the surge in violence, one man in London has come up with his own solution.
The surge in the psyop is what we go on. Not be no fucking real thing business.
And it involves exchanging knives for vouchers. Anti-knife crime campaigner.
Oh, it'd be a bit like the American model then, of the gun grabbing. Bring your guns and we give you some shitty price for them. But everyone just be bringing all the fucking shitty broken thing and getting enough money for them and taking the piss out of the situation. Man be building little gun, yeah. I seen video when man build gun, yeah. Dead cheap little single shot thing in America, yeah. But because it be a gun, it cost him about $15 to make it out of some steel and wooden thing with a spring and thing. But then him take it to the buyback, the gun buyback, and him get like $80 for it. And the bins in the buyback sale, yeah, they just be full of shite, broken thing, air guns and thing, 22 broken rifles and thing. Cause no one be handing in fucking AR-15s and AK-47s and thing. You get me?
Alex Paul is joining us now. Hello.
Hiya.
I saw you on the telly this morning. You've got very interesting views.
Here he is, you know, with his hood up, so he look like a hoodie and thing.
I just feel like, you know, it's just...
Be down with a click, you know, he got the
The
lingo.
time for talking is kind of past now.
He be a crime
I just
campaigner.
thought of something that how I could interact with someone. I just put
Him also got the triple barrel name, you know, and him also got the male first name for the last name, you
Tell
know.
me.
So
Maybe some Caribbean
myself, these young children,
pirate
they have
business,
got
you
income.
know.
They go to school, they work, they're in a lot of arguments and confrontations in the street.
You know
And
what,
What
though?
does that leave someone? I mean,
This video will be
you're
going
stuck
on
in
too
your mum's house with a
long,
post
so we
card,
just
you
leave
can't move,
link in
you
description
don't
to
work,
this
so
goon, you
the
know.
altercations you're involved
In a
in,
bit,
you can always
brethren.
escape it. So I just thought to myself,